companies am I expecting to IPO? After talking a bit about Airbnb in an Instagram post, I want to do this video about the top companies I'm expecting to IPO by this year or the first half of 2021. Before starting with the list, let's teach a couple concepts around it. An initial public offering, IPO, is the most common way a private company becomes public. They require the assistance of banks and law firms to get all required paperwork filed with the SEC, which is the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, set the initial stock price and so on and so forth, or do it by themselves, called direct public offering, DPO. However, companies can also become public by being acquired by another company who is already public, like Facebook, Amazon, etc., or merging with a special purpose acquisition company, SPACs, which are blank check shell companies whose only purpose is exactly that. Now, let's start with a list, starting with the ones who already filed with the SEC. Number 1, Airbnb. Almost everyone in your circle of friends or yourself have used or will use their services now or in the future as you travel for work or vacation. It's almost part of a regular lingo. They have been hardly hit by COVID-19, cutting its valuation from 31 billion to 18. But I still believe in their platform and know this is just a bad moment for them. Number 2 is Palantir with a valuation of 20 billion. They offer state-of-the-art data mining solutions. They'll say they were the ones who actually located Osama bin Laden as US government request. They also have been awarded multi-million contracts by CIA, DHS, NSA, CDC, the Marine Corps, the Army, the Pentagon, and so on and so forth. Like, they have very strong relationship with the government. Number 3, DoorDash. They are a food delivery company with a valuation of $16 billion and included in the 2020 CNBC Disruptor list. With over 5 million customers and a growing path, they are in the eyes of growth investors. Number 4, Snowflake. Cloud-based data warehouse and solution company with a $12.4 billion valuation and more than 2,000 customers, including Domino's, JetBlue, and Nationwide. As we continue to grow into the Internet of Things, we will be in need of cloud computing and data warehousing, so they have a lot of room to keep on growing the next decade. They are growing at a very rapid rate and consistently, main reason why it's in the eye of investors. Number 5, Asana. A team management productivity software company with a valuation of 1.5 billion and more than 1 million paying users. I've used their app myself and it's beautifully crafted. More importantly, it's really easy to use. Number 6, Unity. It's a Danish-American video game software development company with more than 1.5 million monthly active users, and also 53% of the top 1,000 games in the App Store or in the Google Play Store are made with their technology. Even though they are not profitable yet, they have continuous improvement year after year, so I can see that as a growth stock becoming profitable. Now let's go to the ones we are wondering when they're gonna do that. Number 1 is Robinhood. They made it possible for anyone in the USA to invest in stock with $0 commission and a very user-friendly app. Their customer database keeps on growing on a daily basis. They have been experiencing issues with high usage on their platform, so I really hope they can get to fix that. Number 2, Stripe. They are a payment processing platform who have very powerful customers like Amazon, Instacart, Shopify, Google, Zoom, Lyft, Salesforce, Uber, Kickstarter, Booking.com, and even the Nasdaq. That's a serious potential cash flow. Number 3, Databricks has been included in the 2020 CNBC Disruptors list as an AI machine learning data analysis company. As we have more and more information loaded to the clouds, there's a ton of potential for this company in many fields, like advertising, privacy, research, national security, etc. Number 4, Instacart. They are a grocery pickup and delivery service based in San Francisco. Have partnered with over 25,000 stores and its valuation is around $12.7 billion. I have a feeling that Walmart could have their eyes on this one as they continue to develop their service Walmart Plus. There's one honorable mention in its Ant Group. According to the CNN, they are already filed with the Hong Kong and Shanghai Stock Market, which is the China Nasdaq-like tech board. Their current valuation is at a whopping $200 billion and could be the largest IPO in history. They own the most popular payment processing app in China, which is Alipay, with more than 711 million daily users, and also offers financial solutions like loans, investment, and credit scoring. Alibaba has a 33% stake on this one, so you should keep an eye on it. If you like this type of content, please follow me on socials and share at Tip Investors. Also, consider subscribing and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That could help a lot my channel, especially now in the growing phase. It's time to close this one with one of my favorite ways to think. So stay informed so you can know what to do, when, and how. So till the next one.